Hey guys, this is Shirley here. You guys might be wondering why I have not made a video showing my face. The reason is I'm also manifesting my own appearance. I would show my face with before and after changes also. So guys, I want to tell you if your subliminals are not working, so what should you do? One thing subliminal doesn't work because you don't believe on it. You should always keep your subconscious clear that this subliminal will work. You should always say this that this subliminal has worked and you got your result. Behave as if you got your result, guys. A single negative thing can totally ruin everything, guys. So always keep in mind that you have to believe in the subliminal. Second thing, no matter how many times you listen, how many times, that doesn't count, guys. That doesn't count. Only thing that count is how much belief you have and how much belief you listen that subliminals. Okay, guys. And one more thing I want to tell you guys: be free, love yourself. No subliminal will work unless and until you love yourself. You accept yourself how you are. You should always accept the way you are, guys. Soon I'm gonna teach you how to practice self-love. Until that, thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and please start loving yourself and start believing in whatever you want. Surely you will always achieve what you want. Until that, thank you guys, stay safe and take care, and start listening to subliminals and start believing.